Okay guys, welcome back. We are doing our unboxing of rare Kyosho Mini Zs. We've got onto our Japanese ones now guys, and there's some really cool stuff. I mean, obviously you've seen the Lamborghini, you've seen the Mitsubishi, Bishi, we've got the Renault Megane. So we've got some cool stuff already, but it gets cooler guys. Let's get ready. Here we go. So this is from Saujin, cool seller on eBay, who's really taken off with the storm guys. I mean, his stuff was just totally taken off. I'll move the box off the table guys, otherwise what's going to happen is we're going to have no space to showcase our things, and there are some real bits and bobs to showcase here guys. Check out this baby. I don't know if you've seen this one before. This is one of them Sylvias. This is the all-wheel drive version, and guys, this is one of them when I looked I thought, my goodness, that is amazing. Because even if you're good at painting guys, there's certain things you're limited in doing, and when they have like a mad looking, like a decal structure on the shells, when they've got it right and they think, wow, you could recreate that. I don't care how gifted you are at painting, right? I'm alright at painting stuff like that, but on these scaled cars, it's so intricate guys, so difficult. And to do what they've done on these shells with the decals, with the actual painting scheme, amazing. And when I see some of them, I think, oh, wow, you couldn't recreate that. You'll have to get it. So this is actually not an officially rare one, but it's rare. Oh wow! Sorry guys, it's like, oh, I'm so glad I got this one. I'm so glad I got this one. Oh, you know what guys, I'm not going to show you with this yellow case on because it don't look as good with that yellow case. You've got to see it without the case. Oh! Let's have a look. Feast your eyes on that bad boy. Come on guys, isn't that kind of cool? I like that two-tone kind of look. And then the way it just drops into the decals. Orange and black, right, it just goes well together. I don't know if you share the same sentiment as me, but I think orange and black just looks totally amazing. And here they've mixed it up with some white, and I think they've got it right. I'm not really a fan of the Sylvia kind of body shell guys. No, not really. But with them decals, yo, they've got it right, man. So I saw that, I thought, oh my goodness, what a babe, what a little beauty. So then it ended up over here. So yep, I'm so glad I got that. I was actually took my breath away, man, when I saw that. Right now, I haven't seen it, guys, in real life until now, and I was like, wow, because it's really got some intricate decals on there, and it's supposed to be Hancock, yeah, but for some reason in Japanese it's Hankook. I don't know, but I'm not complaining because it's beautiful. That's one of them that's going to stay on the display stand. It's just one of them that can just stay there all day. Right, because I don't want the videos to go on too long. So we're going to break it up so the videos aren't too long. I think about 10 minutes is more than enough for a vid. Let's have a look what's in here. So I'll get that. Oh yeah, he's packed these up pretty well, because the first order I got from him, there were some damages, and I think he's got it right now, so I don't think we should be having any issues. But whoa, I mean, he's an amazing guy, man. The guy refunded me what I didn't expect. I was like, oh, okay. Was he happy with that? Like, yes. Right, here's a shell that I did have in a case. I don't think it's been used, but for some reason, I don't know if you've noticed with Mini Z's guys, over time the tyres seem to crack and disintegrate. And this is the Modena, Ferrari Modena. I don't think it's been used, it's just they call it sunburnt. Should have got some sun cream. But yeah, so it's one of them Ferraris that looks a little bit like a Porsche. Wheels aren't too bad. You can always tell the Ferraris from the back. That's actually a nice shell. It probably needs some decals on it, or could this be the police car that's going to go with the McLaren? Because I was thinking about doing another supercar police car. This could go alongside my McLaren. GT3 police car. So here's what I'm talking about, like wheels disintegrating. Do you notice that they crack over time? It does happen, guys. I've bought some, they've been in storage for time, and by the time they've got to me, they've had cracked wheels. I'm like, what is going on there? But I think it does happen. So, okay, that's them two. Don't miss out, guys. Next vid, this will be on the display stand. Have a look at them in their full glory, guys. But you don't want to miss out on some of the stuff that's coming. It's cool. It gets rarer. Okay, right, guys. Tune in for the next vid as well. See ya. Guys, every so often you come across a shell and you think, wow, that is totally amazing. And this is one of them shells. It just kind of like took my breath away. I just love the detail on this. I like the wheels. The wheels look awesome. All-wheel drive are a bit dry for good wheels. I like the way the back spoiler's totally jacked up, guys. And I don't get Hankook. It's supposed to be Hancock, but I like two-tone. Wow. And the way it kind of like floats into it diagonally. Love it. And I do like the decals on the roof as well. They've got it right. Really have got it right with this one. I do like it, guys. And that's one of them cars. It could just stay on that stand all day and I can just watch it go around all day. Wow, perfection, man. That definitely my list is probably not the top 5 now, it's gonna be top 6. And even though I'm not a massive fan, guys, of the Sylvia body shell, they seem to have some funky ones that appear to be like drifting kind of cars with some cool decals. You couldn't really do that on your own, guys. That's what really kind of drew me towards it, because I do spray my own cars up, I do decals on my own cars, but that's intricate, that's amazing, man. That is really nice, you know, and that's appealing to me. Stuff that I'd struggle to do because it's so intricate and delicate, and wow, you know, there's a lot of attention to detail. I'd rather let someone else do the work and get it. These aren't very common. I think I've seen all the time that I've been looking on eBay, two ones come up recently as well, but it's not in good shape. It's been used. So yeah, that would look totally awesome in a drifting with a vid, and you know, it's crying out for it, man. Really cool. And I would never open that case ever. For you guys, I would, but if that was me, that would be staying there. But I suppose it's a bit of an incentive for me to, you know what, make my vids, get that out there, drive it around. But normally I'm one of them people that's like, keep it in the case, man. That's a beauty. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Because I do. I could probably put some blown out wheels in the back, have it sticking out the back fender, yeah. I'd probably do a little bit something like that to it. But it's kind of cool as it is. Really nice. I don't know who Hancock is, so if you guys know, let me know. But that is totally awesome and amazing, guys, and that's getting a bit of an extra spin on there just because I think it looks so cool. A rare beauty, not officially rare, but well sought after. Well sought after. And as soon as that came up, I was like, whoa. And this is again from Saujin on eBay. A really good seller in Japan, and he's packed his stuff really well. Well done, Saujin. You packed it up really well, mate. And that's one of the little beauties that I got from him, as well as the others. Okay, let's move on. On to the Ferrari, guys. 360 Medina. So, yeah. Not an amazing looking shell, but Ferraris you can always tell from the back. Them 4 lights, you know, you can, and the 4 exhausts, they're kind of like the hallmark. But the front I always felt like a Porsche. But yeah, nonetheless, an amazing car. Had it in yellow, but I think black looks kind of cool. And I was going to make another car into a police car, and I'm just in two minds. I would like to do another supercar, so we could have them, because I've got the standard Chevrolet Caprice police cars. That's cool. But I thought, you know, just to have some futuristic police cars in the mix, in the police chasers. So supercar police cars and supercar rebel drivers, thrill seekers, could have them pitted against each other in videos. So I don't know. The only thing is that the light bar has to fit on the roof, and that roof looks kind of narrow. If you saw the vid of the all-wheel drive unboxing, which is the is it Slowly, I can't remember, it's 180 SX. That's on YouTube. It's got like 10,000 views. It's probably the most popular Mini Z video that I've done. On there, guys, I have basically shown off my McLaren, which is, I turned into a police car. It was black, decaled it out, put a light bar on top of it. So yeah, that looks kind of awesome. I like the way that turned out. And I thought, you know what, just have another one in the mix as well. So I was contemplating this one, but it just looks so dorky, yeah, where the light bar sticks out over the roof. Doesn't really give it a really good look. So I will see, but I'm definitely on the lookout to make another one. You know, but a lot of the supercars have got narrow roofs. I don't know why. But anyhow, cool looking car. And this was, it came up as pre-owned, but it's not really pre-owned. I think it's just been in storage for so long that the tyres have cracked. But there's no